Hello mga katomo! I am excited to introduce my super supportive members. By alphabetical order, part 2. I record this video on this day, April 27, Saturday morning. Thank you, channel members. Mads Lopez, travel and vlog and live streaming, food trip, OFW ng Singapore. Mami di Japan. Ito ang second channel ni Doris TV, presidente ng Japan. Maitama Channel. Just another beer, wine, and coffee drinker. A simple Filipino living in Japan with a hiking and camp problem who love nature and happily to share my adventure to the world. Samahan niyo naman ako sa tama ko. Tamang gala, tamang kain, tamang akyat bundok, tamang inom. Come with me, pasyal ko kayo sa Japan. Nedi and Nia Time. We are excited to share with you our journey, my time, about Kabsat Nedi's stuff, cooking, planting, online selling, singing, and discarte. Her time, about Naneng Nia's stuff, singing, drawing, and performance task, showcase of new normal learning. Our time makes the best time, about us, family activities, adventures, travels, and collection of past and present pictures and videos of mother and daughter. Panunsyo Mary Ann, ang aking super duper hyper and powerful na tokayo. Wala siyang channel description. Sham Zabino Channel. Welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy watching my videos. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. Ito ang second channel ni Sham Zabino Vlogs. Sham Zabino Vlogs. Welcome to Sham Zabino Vlogs. This channel is all about lifestyle vlogs, cooking vlogs, travel vlogs, adventure vlogs, mukbang vlogs, short videos, live streaming, etc. Help to grow this channel by subscribing and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. Hope you'll enjoy watching Sham Zabino Vlogs videos. Thank you! Shu Wei. Wala siyang channel description. Ito ang second channel ni Sophia Georgia. Sophia Georgia. Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Georgia and welcome to my vlog life. I am 9 years old but my parents help manage my channel. This channel is made for entertainment, family bonding, DIY, song covers, travel vlogs, and lifestyle. Please support my channel and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Team Mang Vlog TV. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita at sa walang sawang suporta sa aking channel. Simpleng channel lang po tayo mga katimmang. May fishing, catching crabs and shrimp, rides, updates sa mga places, memories, banding, kulitan, tawanan at kung ano-ano pa sa madalit salita, variety vlog lang po tayo. Always good vibes lang mga katimmang. Pero sa channel kong ito, hangad ko na mapasaya ko kayo kahit sa simpleng vlog lang na share ko, sana'y magustuhan niyo. Kuya Jun Tambayan TV. To help homeless people, to help everyone, DIY tutorial. Thor Jack Adventure, for entertainment purposes only. Let's have fun. Ubas Journey. It's all about parenting and learning journey with my baby. Yiro Yuyi Sports. Hi, welcome to my channel. sports updates, basketball, volleyball, PBA, NBA, PWL. Daily upload videos and live streaming. Especially thanks also sa mga sumusunod na channel members ko. Thanks a million!